Danny Lau here with Lion Real Estate, empowering individuals and families with financial success through real estate. Why buy real estate when you can buy Bitcoin? One of my friends brought that up. His reasoning behind that statement is real estate has historically been where investors put their money in to hedge against inflation. And because of the popularity of Bitcoin, or cryptocurrency in general, now cryptocurrency has taken over real estate in terms of the role of storage of value. And therefore his conclusion is cryptocurrency has put real estate out of business. I'm not so sure I agree with that. Now, of course, Bitcoin or current cryptocurrencies in general has been a hot topic, and has garnered a lot of attention, especially young professional who's coming into the investment world. They are really focusing on the aspect of cryptocurrency being anti-inflationary. There are people out there who is trying to purchase homes with their Bitcoin investments. That actually may have happened already, but I'm referring specifically to big institutions, banks, mortgage underwriters who will accept Bitcoin or cryptocurrencies as a medium of exchange. That day has not come yet. But because cryptocurrency, this topic has captured the hearts of many young professionals, I feel compelled to share three biggest differences between cryptocurrency as an asset class as opposed to real estate as an asset class. Real estate has utility. That's the number one biggest difference. You can use the piece of real estate while it is under your ownership. If you're owning a building, residential, you can live in it. You can rent it out to a family. If it is commercial, you can rent it out, lease it out to a car wash, to a Chick-fil-A. If you own 10 acres, you can walk on the property and you can actually go hunting, camping. You can use it, as opposed to cryptocurrency is just a number that's sitting on your account. The second biggest difference is there's no inherent value. Earlier, I just mentioned if you're owning a building, you can actually lease it or rent it out so you can generate an income during your ownership. Cryptocurrency, not so much. The only times you're making any profit in cryptocurrency is when you sell it, where the next guy or gal is compensating you for the price that you are selling it for. And so it's a zero-sum game, as opposed to real estate being something that generates a revenue while you are holding on to it. The number three factor is volatility. Well, on one hand, real estate is not a particularly liquid asset class. Typically, a transaction happens anywhere from 30 days to 45 days for residential. For commercial, it's going to be a lot longer. As opposed to cryptocurrency, it's just one click of a button. However, because of this precise reason, cryptocurrencies can go up or drop down 50% in value in minutes, as opposed to real estate, because there is the transaction mechanics behind the exchange. There actually is not as much fluctuation as an asset class. And so it becomes a safe harbor if volatility is not something that the investor wants to experience. Now, of course, within real estate as an asset class, there's many different types of real estate, and some types are going to work out better than the other in the long run. But in general, real estate keeps pace with inflation in terms of the piece of land or the building that you own, and meanwhile, the income it generates is the cash flow that provides the investor cash to go travel, to go spend, to go enjoy during the course of the ownership. Well, that's just my couple cents on real estate versus cryptocurrency. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments below if you want to talk about anything else next time. This is Danny Lau. I'll see you next time.